Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dottie from Ignite Cinemas, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your GH5 firmware to the newest 2.3 update. Let's get it. Yes, Panasonic has finally released an update firmware, the 2.3 for the GH5. Now this was released like a few days ago, and I'm really excited because the big thing of that update was improved autofocus. Now before we go onto the screen and update the firmware, I'm gonna show you guys how to format your memory card so everything goes smooth. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna turn it on. You're gonna come over here to menu. And as you can see, I have 2.2. We're gonna update to the new one. And we're actually gonna come over to format. Now it's the fourth thing down, 1, 2, 3, 4 with the wrench. Come down and it's on the fourth page. We're gonna come down to format, slot 1. Now make sure you back up everything off this memory card before you format, because that would really suck. All right, we're gonna format that, all right. Now that my card is formatted, turn it off, pop it out. Now let's take it to the computer. All right, so you're gonna wanna go to Panasonic's website, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can go straight here and not have to Google it yourself or anything. And you're gonna come down, it's gonna tell you what's going on. Now version 2.3 is the most recent update, and you're gonna come all the way down. You're gonna come down here to firmware download, click that, and we're gonna look for the GH5, which is right here and is updated on May 30th of 2018. So we're gonna come down, and it's gonna ask you, do you accept blah, 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 hoorah, accepted. And then we're gonna look up the model number, and it's this guy right here for the GH5. Click to the download page and it's gonna bring you here. Now here it lists like everything that's getting fixed. I only care about the autofocus performance. And it has some other stuff, improvement body, blah, 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 blah. Come all the way down. Now I'm on a Mac, so it's telling me to download. If you have Windows, do your thing, but it's Team Mac on this side. I'm gonna hit download. Once I have that, I'm gonna pop in my memory card in the computer, and it pops up right there, as you can see. I'm gonna go into my downloads. I'm gonna move that there. And I'm gonna double click it so I can unzip it. And basically we want the bin file, which is this guy right here. So then we move our bin file, slide it over to our memory card, and it's saved right there. And I'm gonna hit eject. All right, so now that we have the magical update in this card right here, we're gonna place it in our GH5. Also, in order to update it, you're gonna have to have a full battery. If you don't have a full battery, it's not gonna let you do it. So just keep that in mind. So now that we have the magical card that holds the GH5's fate, let's update it. So open it up, place it in the slot, turn it on, okay? And then we're gonna hit the play button right here. And you're gonna get this please wait. And we're gonna update the body to 2.3, yes. And just follow the directions. Basically don't hit anything. Let it do its thing. Focus. Voila, we're in the game, 2.3 baby. And that's how you update your GH5 to the newest firmware. In this case it's 2.3, but I wanted to make this tutorial because this maybe took me like 5 minutes, if that. It's really easy peasy, and this is how you update firmwares on this camera, no matter what update it is. So hopefully you guys benefited from this. Now I'm about to go test this bad boy out. But before I go, if you liked this video and if it was helpful, hit the like button for me. If you want to see more videos like this, as well as tutorials on Final Cut Pro 10, unboxings, reviews, comparison videos, vlogs, don't forget to hit the red button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video, And as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya.